I'm Sophie, co-founder of Fasterclass. You don't have to be a manager or a project leader to do a project. Whatever your job, as soon as you are working with another human being, you are already in project mode. Project mode means working efficiently within a team in which everyone is in the right place and clearly knows what they have to do and why they are doing it. We have designed this training to give you the freedom to work in any project, in any environment, knowing exactly what to do to be efficient and serene in all the projects you will lead. And see you on Fasterclass.